I don't know how, like, I don't know anything. I am about to go get some coffee because I'm finishing a commission and I really want to have it finished today, and then maybe go to a birthday party tonight. Maybe, I'm not really sure what's happening with that, but we'll see. The thing is, my studio is dirty. It's really dirty and gross because I've been working. I mean, I'm probably gonna come back and clean up my studio so that by the time I do get to do the studio tour, it'll be ready. I can just show you though, like really quickly, what the dirty version of my studio looks like. It's not cute. But first, wait, hold on. I didn't realize that my hair ties were in front of the camera. That's really nice. My God, hold on. Okay, now I just decided to be like an ugly, nasty freak and use my front camera because I don't like not being able to see what everything looks like. What was I saying? Oh yeah, okay, so I need to recap. Now I wanted to say that I like feel so I feel so grateful right now because I have 3 patrons: Alex, Shia, and EJ. If you don't know, I do have a Patreon. And yeah, no, I just posted my 4th sketchbook dump on there. I posted that maybe 20 minutes ago, if I had to guess. But yeah, no, thank you so much to Alex, Shia, and EJ. I'm gonna get some coffee now because I feel like I'm crazy. And then when I come back, I'll have like my studio cleaned, and then I'll show you my studio and what it looks like and all of the stuff that I have in there. If you don't know, my studio is a closet. I'm gonna get some coffee. Okay, bye. My apartment office always runs out of tops for the coffees, and that's what happened. So I'm just gonna walk around with this unprotected cup of coffee so that dirt and shit can fly into it. Let me tell you something. That wind was not okay. That wind was scary. I wanted to rush out of there. I wanted to rush back home, but not with an uncapped cup of coffee and a white hoodie. No. So I do think that like a little bit of dirt like flew into my cup, but a lot of dirt flew into these eyes. I'll tell you what. No. So this is the first thing that you see when you look at my studio. Many people have seen it on Instagram or whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna like walk you through the whole thing. Yeah, I mean, as I was saying, it is a closet and it's kind of hard to get like on camera. First, let me, I guess, walk you through my desk, since that's the area that I am at all day, every day. So this is my computer with my reminder sticky note. On the side of my computer, we have my collection of sketchbooks. I have toured a handful of these on my channel. So yeah, these are all like my, well, primarily like my my actual like sketches. Like nothing really looks pretty here. They're just pencil sketches, very quick things that I don't really post like on my feed for anything. And then my smaller ones are where I put like my quote nicer stuff that I like post on social media. This one is the one that I recently toured on my channel that has like very rough sketches in here, my roughest like BS sketches. This is actually not a sketchbook, and neither is this. This is my first writing journal that I had like in middle school or high school, and it actually has one of my favorite poems. And yeah, This is one of my collections. This is my fortune collection. I think there are a few fortunes that I need to add here, but I don't know how many there are. They're probably like 30 or something in there. They used to be in here, but obviously this is way too small now. This is an Owen head that I sculpted at my friend's apartment. It looks so horrible. It's really, really ugly. This, my little sister painted this for me a few years ago. It's really cute. This is from one of my art mutuals. She gave me this for free. I was gonna buy it, but she wanted to give it to me for free. Yeah, okay. So let's look at this side. We have obviously these flowers. These are actually my mom's flowers that she got from a date that she went on recently. She vased the flowers originally for a few days, but you know, as I noticed they were starting to wilt, I was like, can I have these flowers? And she said yes, because she knows that I dry them. So yeah, I'm just drying these flowers. They've been here for a few days now. This is a painting of my OC Marcel that I did maybe like a year or so ago. I don't really know anymore, but yeah. And then back there is a painting that I did also about a year or two ago. It has a lot of meaning to it, but it's kind of a lot to explain. Those portraits back there are self-portraits that I did when I was in college. I think that was my freshman year, my first semester. Yeah, and then if we take a look at the actual desk, we've got my little like cubby thing where I put like all of my like most immediate stuff, and then this is where I keep my colored pencil shavings. Yay. Let's take a look under my desk. I recently rearranged everything, but basically we have my like paper and like old sketches and misprints and stuff in here. I'm not usually in this drawer, but that's what that is. And then this has some shipping supplies that I don't really go into often. Yeah. Then down here are some shipping materials, so like my scale, my thermal printer, and then thermal like printer like print rolls and stuff. And this bin is all of my most used shipping supplies. Yeah, I recently upgraded to this bin so that I don't have to like go rummaging for everything that I need. I can just pull this bin out and everything is right here, and I just keep that right there. Moving on to this side, the back wall. This is my okay, well this is my my printer. And then I also have these zines that I made somewhat recently. These I primarily sell on Etsy, so if you like them, they're poetry zines by the way, check out my Etsy. It'll be linked in my description. This is my most used like drawer. This has like all of my inks in here, or most of my inks. We've got my alcohol markers, we've got my water-based markers, we've got my pens, my inking pens, we've got my whiteboard markers, Sharpies, my sketching pens, and my paper mates that I don't use. I don't really like paper mate that much. Oh, my highlighters that I haven't used in 1,000 years. And then we've got some acrylic markers, some Posca markers, I think, and some water-based. I want to say these are water-based markers. Yeah, watercolor markers. I don't watercolor, so I don't even know why I have that. And then down here, this is mostly miscellaneous stuff, just like supplies that is just like too all over the place to have sorted. I have my extra pencils down here, just shit, you know, it's just shit. This is probably the most useful thing in here. It's my my brush to dust away like shavings or whatever. And down here we have more very useful supplies. On this section we have colored pencils, lots and lots of colored pencils, and then on this side we have more markers that I don't really use very often. And then this is a bunch of pens that I don't really use often. Crayons, this, erasers, brads for a project that I did in college that I haven't finished, but I still have the brads for it in case I do want to finish it, and glue. Cutting board thing, cardboard, mostly college stuff in here, and like a bunch of extra paper. And then we have some stuff in the back, easel, and then this is like dry erase like paper that you can like adhere to the wall, but I don't want to adhere anything to my walls. Now let's look up. We've got all of my artwork, or most of my artwork. Some of it is not mine. So that is a print of one of my old pieces with Owen. It's a really cute piece, I think. This is one of those shifting like things that like it shifts perspective as you move. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but and that's a painting that I did of Emily and Tanner. It's really cute. There's Emily. We already went over that. And then we've got Starry Night. This one also shifts, but it's kind of hard to see it because it's in the corner. You can't really like look all the way over here, but I'll let you guys look at it. This is a piece that I got from the same person who gave me that. I bought this though, because I love this so much. And then this is a different piece, different original that I got from the same event, but from a different vendor. And then this is a cross. Everything on it is actually has some religious, like Christian meaning behind it. I'm not a Christian, I'm not religious, but my mom knows that I really like this poem, and as I was saying, it's the same poem that's on the cover of this journal. Can't really see it on camera right now, but basically this is a print that one of my long time, like basically lifelong friends printed for me. It's like metallic almost. It's like very lustrous. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's really pretty. It has this really nice sheen on it, and it made my art look so beautiful. So she did that for me as a test print. This is something that one of my longtime mutuals gifted to me. It's a drawing that they did of my character Owen. This is by my mutual Lonnie. I'm not talking about that. This is a painting that I did of my OC Daniel. And then finally we've got the last section, which I know, jump scare. This is a Halloween mask that I got a few years ago. I want to say maybe like 5 or 6 years ago. These are some paintings that I did. Oh yeah, all my paintings there. And this is the college project that I was talking about with the brads. They didn't finish it. I was like 18 when I made that. I don't even know. This is a head that I use for perspective, like particularly for hat perspective. That's why my old hat is there. And then this mask I made at one of my little sister's birthday parties. Blank canvases, painting supplies, tools, tape, sketchbooks that I don't use often, with like paper. This is all paper. My long arm stapler, which was an investment. And then we've got some more equipment stuff. This is my scanner. And then I have my light board, which I haven't used often. I haven't used it very much, but I'm planning on it for a big project. And then that's a portrait caricature that I got in 2017, I guess. I still look like that, unfortunately. Oh, I forgot. These are my headphones. And then these are my, I'm gonna show you these. This is my marble bag. Okay, we're gonna take a look. Don't go anywhere. So this is my very small marble collection. Obviously, they're not all marbles. These are the most recent ones that I got. These. My sister bought these for me. I picked these out myself. And then this one, not a marble, obviously, but my dad got this for me. And then this, don't even know. I think I don't even know. Okay, I'm like sweating right now. It's really hot in here. I had my window open earlier because it feels so good outside right now, but I closed the window because I didn't want it to be loud in here as I'm filming. But yeah, that's like the whole thing. Obviously, like, there's no room in here. There's no room for anything. But I kind of like that. I kind of like everything being within arm's reach. I hope you liked the tour. Yeah, I'm planning to do like maybe like a supplies tour or whatever, and like giving my recommendations on like particular supplies and how I use them and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that, let me know, because that's an idea that I have. Thank you again to my patrons. I love you guys. If you want to join my Patreon, the link is going to be below. I post weekly sketchbook dumps and bi-weekly video content that doesn't go anywhere else besides there. Yeah, okay. Bye.